ẹ̀yin ará mi nílé ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká máa wo Bísí ológe o torí pé wọ́n gbayì láwùjọ Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ tún máa ràn yín lọ́wọ́ iléeṣẹ́ yín ò ní jóná o thumbs up Bísí ológe ẹ ṣé púpọ̀.
That's the woman that can do it.
Ali Nuhu, please come on stage. Congratulations.
Is anybody happy to represent Ali Nuhu there? Okay, let me give this to you.
Deyemi Okanlawon. You promoting African culture. Congratulations.
Hopefully next year they'll give Kule Remy. Culturalti. Thank you so much to every Yoruba traditional ruler here. Thank you for upholding our tradition, our culture, our heritage. Thank you for everyone who has supported me over the years. And for those of you who watch Iyalaje Oodua, that is making waves around the world and is celebrating the uniqueness of the Yoruba culture. Thank you everybody, and thank you for this award.
Ẹ̀sìn tó síwájú ló gbàgbé o, ẹ̀sìn tẹ̀yìn ṣètò ẹgbẹ́ tuntun, ìgbà tuntun lóró mi, ìgbà tuntun lóró mi o, ẹni bá mọ̀ wẹ̀rẹ̀ ó kà lọ.
I thank the organizers of this amazing cultural event. This is very important for our country. This is very important for us as Africans. This is very important for us as a people and generations to come. We have to keep celebrating ourselves. We have to show the world that Africa is the future. We have to show the world that we can do great things in Africa, the way we build our amazing vehicles here in Africa. Thank you very much for believing in this country. Thank you very much for this award. Thank you very much, organizers. Thank you very much.
Let's go back to the roots. I wanna go back to the roots. Let's get back to the roots.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you. God bless you.